హ్యాపీ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. యూనిక్ లైఫ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్న పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఈరోజు మన గెస్ట్ స్పీకర్ వీణా శర్మ గారు. Since 1919, she started working as a teacher, and at present, she is working in St. Anne's High School. And in the year 2017, she got Best Teacher Award by the Institute of IIHM. And her main vision is to inspire many students. And today, Law of Attraction topic to మన ముందుకు వచ్చేసారు. So please welcome Veena Sharma garu. Over to you, ma'am. Unmute, ma'am. I think you are in mute.
Okay, thank you, Anusha garu. So my voice is audible to everybody? Okay. Okay. यहाँ उपस्थित सभी सरस्वती पुत्र पुत्रियों को मेरा नमस्कार and fabulous evening to one and all. So let's get started. How many of you want health, wealth, happiness, success, name and fame in your lives? Just write yes in your chat box if you want and write no if you don't want. Mahesh sir, can you enable the chat box? I cannot see anything. Okay. Okay, anyway, I just can't see the chat box, so I shall continue. So everybody wants health, wealth, happiness, name and fame in our lives. And it is our birthright. Yes, it is our birthright. And we are born to enjoy all these things. Yes, we are not born to suffer. We are born to enjoy and achieve health, wealth, success and happiness in our lives. But then, why do you think 1% of the population is successful and the 99% of the population is still struggling for success? Please, if you write in the chat box, why do you think 1% is successful and 99% is still struggling? Okay, no dedication. Wow, why? Fine, very good. I got one reply for one person. Yes, due to lack of law of attraction. That's fine. Very good. That's a good answer. Strategies, commitment. Fine. Very good. That's very nice of you all. Very active participants, and where I can see the anxiety and excitement in you all. So, the 1% of the population who is struggling, is being successful is because they know the secret. Yes, my dear friends, they know the secret, and the secret is nothing but a law of love, a token of love, a gift given by the universe to the mankind. Yes, it is a gift given by universe to mankind, and that is law of attraction. Yes, my dear friends, these 1% people who are successful in their lives is because they know the secret, and the secret is law of attraction. And this law of attraction works with our mind, our thoughts. Our thoughts act like magnets. They attract things. If you think of love, then you will attract love. If your thoughts are of hatred, then they attract hatred. If your thoughts are of success, then they attract success. If you are thinking of problems, you attract problems. So they are your thoughts which will attract. And your thinking will create things in your life. You don't even know what you're creating. So you have to be very, very alert in your thoughts. So let us learn the principles on which the law of attraction works. The law of attraction works on 3 principles, that is ask, answer and receive. Yes, my dear friends, it is ask, answer, and receive. But then my question is, how do we ask? How do we ask? And I answer, we should ask like a child. Yes, my dear friends, ask like a child. When we were young, when we were small, we knew this technique and we used to ask and we used to get. But as we started growing older and older, we have forgotten this technique. When we were small, we knew this technique and we have, by the principles like ask, answer, and receive, we have received. I will just remind you. A boy of 3-4 years old, he goes with his parents to the market. There in the market, he sees a big toy shop and then he gets attracted towards a toy. And then he tells his mother that I want to buy the toy. And the parents say that, child, we have not come to buy the toy, so we will buy you later on. Just adjust with the small toy. Then the boy says, no, I don't want the small toy. I want that toy only which I which is attracting me. And then he starts, when parents convince him, he does not listen to them. He starts crying. He starts moving his hands, legs, everything. He starts crying. He starts yelling. He starts rolling on the ground. And then he makes all the stuff there. And then the parents, even they bring his favorite ice cream and they offer him. Then the child says, no, I don't want the ice cream also. And then he goes for only that toy. Then the parents start discussing among themselves what to do. Then they think better to buy this toy and give this child, otherwise this child is going to make big nuisance and people all over here are going to see this nuisance here. So what they do, they go to the shop. When they are walking to the shop, you will see the child here stops crying. Yes, he stops crying here, and then he feels that happiness within him that he is going to get the toy. He feels that he has already received the toy in his hands. Then he goes walking slowly behind his parents, and by the time he goes, the parents have already purchased the toy for him and they have given it in his hands. Yes, this is how the law of attraction works. Ask, answer, and receive. When the child was becoming very stubborn and very adamant in asking, what he was doing, he was raising his frequency. So when you ask, you too should raise your frequency to that level. You should raise your vibration to that level. Then the universe will start answering you. And when you think of it, you have to already feel that it is already with you. You have already received it. Only thoughts will not get you. Along with your thoughts, your feelings will get you. You have to feel that you have already got it as the small child thought. This is how the law of attraction works. किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो कायनात, सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Once again दोस्तों, किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Yes, if you think of anything with your heart and soul, then the whole universe will get ready to make it happen for you. But you should know what you want. Ask and you will get it. Your wish is your command. But first, decide what you want. तुम चाहते क्या हो? Yes, तुम चाहते क्या हो? If you know that, then you ask and you will get it. Now let us, I just want to tell few more ways how you can use this law of attraction. The first one is repeat. When you keep on repeating things, then those things get attracted to you. It is very well said that जो तुम बार बार दोहराओगे, आपका अवचेतन मन उसे स्वीकार कर लेगा. जिसे वो स्वीकार कर लेगा, उसे वो साकार कर देगा. फिर से दोस्तों मैं बोलूंगी, जिस चीज को आप बार बार दोहराओगे, आपका अवचेतन मन उसे स्वीकार कर लेगा, और जिसे वो स्वीकार कर लेगा, उसे वो साकार कर देगा. Yes, my dear friends, what you keep on repeating every time, again and again, this message goes to your subconscious mind, and once it goes to your subconscious mind, it makes it happen. So be alert in what you're thinking. And mostly it happens that people, what they do is they discuss only their problems with people. They discuss about their financial crisis with people. They discuss their failures to people. and they feel that things should happen very good with them, but things don't happen because they are always discussing negative things. That how can anything happen to them, good happen to them? So if you want something good to happen to you, think your positivity, think about, discuss about your success, discuss about your happiness to your friends. Here I would like to quote one small example, some incidents, which is a real example which happened to me. Okay, once in the school, I was in the class 9. And then one student came to me. He came with his book for correction. So I started correcting his book. When I started correcting, I found so many mistakes, nearly 15 to 20 mistakes. And I kept on repeating, this is a mistake, that is a mistake, why this mistake, how this mistake, mistake. I repeated 50 to 80 times, I must have repeated. And at the end, I just wanted to write one sentence, my dear friends, one sentence. Please write without any mistake. And I made a mistake, just one sentence, and I made a mistake. Then I just recollected how did I make a mistake being a teacher? Then I repeated this word mistake, and maybe it has gone to my subconscious mind and happened. Immediately I stood up and told the students the whole thing. I related to them and told them not to think negative again and again. And the second point I would like to tell you is focus on one point. The small child, he focused on only one thing, that he wanted the bigger toy. He did not get convinced for the smaller toy. He did not get convinced for the ice cream. And so he got it. When we focus on many things, then the universe also thinks, you are confused, so you first decide, then I will give you. So then you don't get. So focus on one point. Second, third is belief. Believe without any confusion. Yes, when you ask, then you believe that it will come to you. Don't get confused. Don't have any doubts. It vastunda leda. It will come, it will not come. It will happen, it will not. No such doubts. You have asked, believe that it will come. Here also, my dear friends, what I am sharing is, I have not read anything anywhere in any book. I am sharing my own experiences with my school students. So I got a very good opportunity to share with you. So I was in class 10th. And then one student, he did not, it is an English medium school. All the subjects are in English. He did not know how to read. He would read T-H-E, the, I-S, is. If it was a 4-letter word, he did not know how to pronounce also. Then I asked him, child, how will you pass? Then the child said, ne pass aita teacher. Are, how will you pass? నీకు ఏం రావట్లేదు కదా, నీకు చదవడానికి రావట్లేదు, ఏమి రావట్లేదు, ఎట్లా పాస్ అవుతా teacher. And our school had this one that we may not get 100% result because of this one child. We may get only 99%. But this child his belief was so strong, irrespective of his capacity, irrespective of his efficiency. వాడికి చదవడానికి రావట్లేదు, అయినా వాడిలో ఏం బిలీఫ్ ఉందంటే, నేను పాస్ అవుతా, తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తావు అంటే, నేను పాలిటెక్నిక్ చేస్తా టీచర్, తర్వాత ఒక కంపెనీలో మంచి జాబ్ చేసుకుంటా టీచర్. దట్ వాస్ this one. And then, సరే నువ్వు మంచి జాబ్ చేసుకుంటే గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ, గానీ నాకు చెప్పురా, నేను స్కూల్లోనే ఉంటాను. అయితే that year he passed, that child passed. And then after 6 months, I went to Patancheru station, bus station. There this child met me, and then he told me, teacher, how are you? Then I asked him, what are you doing? Teacher, నేను పాలిటెక్నిక్ చేసుకుంటున్నా టీచర్. అరే పాలిటెక్నిక్ చాలా టఫ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, నీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా రావట్లేదు, అయితే ఎట్లా పాస్ అవుతావు అంటే, టీచర్ ఏముంది టీచర్, ప్రాక్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి, మరి ఏదో చిన్న చిన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా టీచర్, ఎట్లాగో నేను పాస్ అవుతా టీచర్. There also he was very, very firm that he would be successful. Then 2 years later he came to me and he said, టీచర్ నాకు మంచి జాబ్ వచ్చింది టీచర్, నేను ఫలా కంపెనీలో 25,000 నాకు వస్తుంది. And he was not talking in Telugu there. He was speaking in English. That child who did not know how to speak English now was speaking to me in English. This is belief. Friends, you have to believe. When you ask anything, believe that it will come to you. Whether you are capable, whether you are not capable, you don't believe, you don't think of it. Just believe and it will happen to you. This is the funda of law of attraction. Okay, and the fourth tool is visualization. This is the most powerful tool. This is the most powerful tool. Suppose you want to buy a car, then just red car, you just think of the car, color of the car, model of the car, everything. Then you just think, just visualize that you are already having the car, and then you are driving the car, you are enjoying the ride. And then if you visualize, and just slowly these vibrations will go to the universe and will come to you and the car. You one day you will be able to ride in such type of car which you wish. Otherwise, you can also take one vision board. On the vision board, what you can do is you can just stick some pictures, or you can draw some. Suppose you want a house or you want a good job, then you draw one beautiful house how you want. Then, or you paint it, or you stick pictures, and then you just put the board in front of you, and then just look at the board, and then just visualize. Then when you visualize that you are living in such type of house, your drawing room, your kitchen room, your bedroom, and all those things, your portico, how it will be, just visualize and be happy and enjoy that you're living in such type of house. And then you see the vibrations will go to the universe and they will bring that house. You will see one day you will be living in such type of house. Yes, this is the power of visualization. This is the most powerful tool. And next, the fifth one is power of gratitude. Yes, my dear friends, the power of gratitude. Here I would like to relate one small story. Once in a desert, there lived a bird, and the bird's wings were damaged. So the bird could not fly to greater heights. It used to fly to short distances, and then it used to sit there. It was very difficult for it to get water, for it to get food, and then it could not fly properly. And the heat of the sand also was hitting its body. One day, an angel was flying over the desert. So the angel saw the bird suffering, and then came down and asked the bird. Then the bird told all her sufferings, and the bird also inquired where the angel was going. The angel said, I am going to heavens, to God. Then the bird says, see, when you're going to God, you just tell, I am unable to bear such type of suffering. Please take my life away. So the angel goes to God, and then she narrates the whole story to God. And then God says, she tells the bird wants her life to be taken away. So please take away her life. She cannot bear anymore. The God says, to the angel that she will have to suffer 7 more years in the same condition. She will have to seven more years. She will have to suffer in the same way. Then the angel will say, it is very, very difficult and very unbearable for the bird. Please give some solution. Then God says, ask the bird to tell thank you. So the angel comes back, tells the whole thing to the bird, and then goes away. And after 7 days, the angel is again passing over the desert. The angel sees that the bird is happily flying, nicely getting its food, water, enjoying, singing, and very happy. Then the angel is very astonished. What is this? Then she goes to God again, and there she asks, God, you said that the bird will have to suffer for 7 more years, but I can see within 7 days, 1 week, the bird is so happy and she's enjoying. How did it happen? Then God said, see, my dear angel, all her 7 years of suffering got transformed within just 7 days. Whenever the bird fell, she said, thank you, God. When the bird could not fly, she said, thank you, God. When the bird did not get water, she said, thank you, God. When the bird did not get food, she said, thank you, God. When she could not fly, she said, thank you, God. So when she kept on telling, thank you, thank you, thank you, her 7 years suffering got vanished, and she now is in a happy, she's leading a happy life. So this is the power of just 2 words, my dear friends, just 2 words, and those 2 words are thank you, thank you. So please try to, when you wake up in the morning, thank God for the whole day, the day ahead. Thank God that all the people in your house are good and very healthy. And before you go to sleep also, thank God for everything that happened the whole day. And during the whole day also, thank all your friends and everybody who come around. Please, you will notice that you will have more than 100 times to tell thank you. So this is the power of gratitude. This will transform your lives. And then the last one I would say is affirmations. Please give positive affirmations to yourself. Affirmations are nothing but positive sentences like, I am successful, I am confident, I am very intelligent. Such type of affirmations has to be given, and it should be given in present tense, not I will become successful is wrong. I am successful, you have to tell like this. Why you should tell in present tenses? Here also I would like to tell. Suppose you are in a mall. In a mall, what you do, what you get, everything, A to Z, you get everything. You don't have to ask anything there. So when you go to the mall, what will you say? I want this. You will not tell that I want in future, no? The already is there. What is the fun in telling I want in future? I want it. So the universe is also like a mall. Everything A to Z, what you want is present in the universe. So just ask, just give present. Your affirmation should be in present tense. And I usually every day give this. I give in Hindi. I said, Mera जीवन सुखी, संपन्न, सफल, समृद्धशाली है. मैं यशस्वी, तेजस्वी, ज्ञानी, मेधावी हूँ. This is what every day I repeat. Every day I do that. Every day when I wake up, I give these affirmations to myself. These affirmations cover everything. So my dear friends, now you have come to know how law of attraction works. And to summarize, I would say just follow ask, answer, receive. These are the three principles how on which the law of attraction works. And then just use the other tools like repeat always positive things, focus on one point, and then the visualization, then power of gratitude and belief without any confusion, and at the end give positive affirmations. And next, my task today is I would like to practice this power of gratitude. Yes, my dear friends, practice this power of gratitude. Please be thankful to anybody and everybody. You will notice you will have more than 100 times where you can tell thank you. So having come to know about law of attraction and everything, so now you came to know you are the creator of your own destiny. Yes, you are the creator of your own destiny. Then what for are you waiting? Create your own world and live your life and achieve what you want. Yes, create your own world and live your life and achieve what you want. Thank you, friends.
వావ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ వీణా శర్మ గారు. ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏదైతే ఈ రోజు మీరు చెప్పినటువంటి సెషన్ లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ లైఫ్ లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మేజర్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తుంది. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా యాక్టివ్ గా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి వింటున్నారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి మనం క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకుందాం మేడం. పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ నుంచి ఏదైతే వాళ్ళకి ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కానీ లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ పరంగా మీరు కొంచెం డౌట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి క్లియర్ చేశారనుకోండి, వాళ్ళు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి ఇంకా ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకేనా మేడం?
Okay, but before I begin, I would like
participants. Yeah.
Before I begin, I just want to thank Venu Kalyan sir for giving this opportunity. I want to thank the 4 trainers who are there every day and doing a big job for everybody, all the 4 trainers. So I thank you very much, and thank you all the participants here for being with me and making this my show alive and I'm making me also happy. And last, I would like to thank God for everything. Yes, thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఏదైతే మీరు చెప్పారు కదా, సో అది మా ప్లెజర్ అనమాట. ఎందుకోసం అంటే వికే సార్తో కలిసి మేము కూడా ఆడియన్స్ లో మంచి వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో కూడా ఒక వాల్యూ యాడ్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పేసి ఈ విధంగా చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకుందాం మేడం. ఏదైతే వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసుకొని మనం వాళ్ళ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, వాళ్ళు ఈ లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ కూడా వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది వాళ్ళకి. ఓకేనా మేడం? యా. సో పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి, దెన్ మేడం ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. కమ్ ఆన్, టైప్ చేయండి. ఎస్, యా మేడం, ఇక్కడ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది మేడం, వండర్ఫుల్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్ నుంచి. ఏంటంటే హౌ టు అప్లై లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఇన్ స్టడీస్, అంటే స్టడీస్ పైన లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ని మనం ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలని అడుగుతున్నారు.
Okay. So, see, when you want to first of all, your parents are sending you to school. Thank them, thank God for everything, and then listen to what the teacher is teaching. And along with that, you give your affirmations that I am able to understand everything what the teacher is telling. Just put your whole concentration on it, and always have that positive attitude that yes, I can do it and I will do it. Okay, and then you just work hard. your affirmations along with your feelings and your hard work and your concentration, all this will make you successful students. This is what I would like to tell the students, and I tell the same thing in the school.
Yes. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇక్కడ ఒక పార్టిసిపెంట్ అడుగుతున్నారు మేడం, ఏమనంటే మేడం మీ దగ్గర చాలా మస్తు ఎనర్జీ ఉంది, ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా మీరు సెషన్ ఇచ్చారు, మీకులాగా మేము కూడా అలా తయారవ్వాలి, అట్లా ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా అవ్వాలి అని అంటే మేమేం ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, మేమేం చేయాలి అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
Okay. For this, no, actually I practice lot of meditation, and then today itself I have done for already 2.5 hours meditation. Today there was an eclipse, so during the eclipse I have meditated for 2.5 hours, and maybe I get the energy from there. And when I do meditation and all that, no, I think all my negativity goes, and when the negativity is gone, then there is all positive, and positive is naturally very powerful. It gives you all the energy. So try to be positive and try to see good in everybody, and practice some yogic exercise. Today is a yoga day also, so do that also, and you will also be very, very energetic. And students are very, very dynamic students. You are young students, very dynamic, so try to be very dynamic and energetic. Yes.
సూపర్ సూపర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. నిజంగా మీరు 2.5 hours మెడిటేషన్ చేశారంటే నిజంగా గ్రేట్ మేడం. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కి నేను కూడా సజెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నా ఏంటంటే మెడిటేషన్ అనేది చాలా 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ మన లైఫ్ లో, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మెడిటేషన్ వల్ల చాలా ఎనర్జీని మనం తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. సో మై డియర్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, డెఫినెట్ గా ఈ రోజు నుంచి అయినా, రేపటి నుంచి అయినా, కనీసం రేపు మార్నింగ్ నుంచి అయినా దీన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి. అండ్ మేడం ఇక్కడ ఒకరు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే, ఏమైనా మేడం మెడిటేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఏమైనా చెప్పారా ప్లీజ్ అని.
Meditation techniques is, first of all, see, meditation, when you sit for meditations, naturally thoughts will come and go. Thoughts will come and go. This will take time for you to cool down the thoughts. Today also when I do meditation, still thoughts come and go. Then what you do is, first when you are beginning, just concentrate on your breath. Concentrate on your breath, then and slowly concentrate on your tip of your toes, then slowly concentrate at this point of your forehead. You do it for 5 minutes, and when you wake up in the morning also do it for 5 minutes, so that you will cool down. And before sleeping also do it for 5 minutes. And still if you get time, at least you can do for 10 minutes here and there in the daytime, and this way you will be able to improve your meditation. Actually I'm practicing this meditation from nearly 6 to 7 years. It is not just in a moment that I have got it. So by practice only you will get it. And one more thing, when you practice, please practice this under the guidance of somebody. Because this meditation will what more of power will you will enhance your power, and somebody should be there to control your power. So it should be under the guidance of any guru or any yogic practitioner or something, that I would say. But small meditation for 5-10 minutes, it's okay. But when you're doing for long hours and all, no, you have to do it under some guidance. That is what I would like to say.
యా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ ఇంకొకరు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు ఏంటంటే, sir, I want to start business that cost is very much, how I can give affirmations to mind?
You just give the affirmation that see what your business, however costly it is or whatever it is, you just start the business. Just start the business and give the affirmations that my business is very good, and then it is running in a very the best way. I am earning so much, and then I am getting what all you get related to business. So you give such type of affirmations that you are already in the business and you are earning, and you are like getting so much of money. So this way, if you give your affirmations, I think it will work out.
ఎస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం, చాలా మంచి టెక్నిక్ చెప్పారు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ రిపీటెడ్ గా ఒక పార్టిసిపెంట్ రిపీటెడ్ గా క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు అనమాట. ఏమని క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారంటే, మేడం ఏదైతే మీరు ఇంత మంచి పొజిషన్ కి రావడానికి మీరు మీ లైఫ్ లో ఎలాంటి టెక్నిక్స్, మెయిన్ గా ఎలాంటి టెక్నిక్స్ యూజ్ చేయడం ద్వారా ఈ రోజు మీరు ఈ పొజిషన్ కి రావడం జరిగింది?
Just simple technique. That simple technique is positive attitude. Yes, my dear friends, if you have a positive attitude, this I have from my beginning, from my childhood. I used to, when I watch movies, I don't see to the negative part. I see the positive things in the movies. I see anything what I see. I just in people also. When I meet people also, I see their positive things. All will have positivity. All will have negativity. Even I too may be having, but I see to the positive side. I don't go to their negative side. So this is how I am. Whatever you feel, I am because of that positive attitude. So develop the positive attitude is very, very important.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you so much. Heartfully, thank you so much. And మేడం ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకరు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు. ఓకే, సో అంటే జస్ట్ మీ చిన్న పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మిమ్మల్ని షేర్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ఏమనంటే మీరు ఏదైతే మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ మెడిటేషన్ వల్ల మీ లైఫ్ లో అంటే ఎలాంటి చేంజెస్ ని మీరు చూసారు?
Okay, actually health wise I am very, very profitable by this. I used to have thyroid, I used to have many things, but now everything is gone. And I was a very, very angry person. For a very little thing I used to get angry, and now my anger is almost gone. My people know at home that my anger is already gone, so I could control my anger. And most of my like ill health and all, I am able to cover up. And I'm this way, I'm looking healthy. That's all. So these are the things which I could benefit. And I am able to concentrate also. And I like when I meditate for long hours, no, it makes me do lot of work. I am able to do lot of work, whereas my children only, they do little work and they say I am tired, but I don't feel tired. I am able to do lot of work because of this meditation. It gives you power, it gives you the energy. So you have to, actually it's good to practice.
యా, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ లాస్ట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ చేసి మనం ఈ సెషన్ ఎండ్ అప్ చేద్దాం మేడం. ఏదైతే సో టైం కూడా దగ్గర పడుతుంది. లాస్ట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మేడం, ఏదైతే లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ గురించి తెలుసుకొని కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే నిజంగానే ఇది అవుతుందా అనే ఒక థాట్, నిజంగానే ఇది అవుతుందా, ఏదైతే చెప్పారు కదా నిజంగానే ఇది నిజంగా అవుతుందా అని చెప్పేసి ఇలా వాళ్ళు ఆలోచించి వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో రిజల్ట్స్ తెచ్చుకోకుండా అయిపోతున్నారు. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళ కోసం మీ సజెషన్ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
See, I just now told you, believe without confusion. When you are believing, then you should not have any doubts, not have any confusions. Actually, many things happened in my life. When I completed my intermediate, I wanted to become a doctor. But my father also was a very optimist person. He also used to meditate for 4 to 5 hours continuously. I think maybe I got that also in me, that I have got it in me. So he never liked allopathy, and he did not allow me to go and write that exam also, MSET exam also. Those days he did not allow me to write, but that was live inside me. I wanted to become a doctor, and then after so many years, I got a chance to do by acupressure. So I have done my acupressure and different types of acupressure, and I treat through acupressure also, I treat myself. So these are the things like, and then this voice is not preferable in my house. At home they say how loudly you speak, but I was not getting a platform where I could get appreciation. This is a platform where I got appreciation for my voice. I always, and I tell my people, whoever is taking out any documentary, hey, if there is any villain role, no, give it to me. I am able to do that way. So give me any villain role to me. So what you think in your life, children, children, I'm telling, friends, it happens, but you should not have any confusion that it will happen, it will not happen, outunda leda. No, when you believe, when you just have thought it, just leave it, and just send those vibrations, it will come. Long back I wanted to become a doctor, and these days I got the chance to learn acupressure and all that. That is equivalent to that only, where I can treat myself, I can treat others also. So this is how like belief without any confusion, don't have any doubts.
యా, సూపర్ మేడం, ఎక్సలెంట్ గా మీరు చెప్పారు. అండ్ లాస్ట్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, యాజ్ ఎ టీచర్ సే సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టిప్ టు బికమ్ సక్సెస్ ఇన్ స్టడీస్ ఫర్ స్టూడెంట్స్.
Study is, see, first you should know that you are God coming to school to study something. When you are studying, you are empowering yourself, you are learning something. First, that should be there in your mind. When that is there, then it creates interest in you. And then when your teachers teach you, you listen to them. And when you listen, and then try to do your hard work. Along with that, your interest, your hard work will surely make you good at studies. And then I told you all the other things like practice meditation, which will improve your concentration power. Because of low concentration power, children are unable to concentrate. So practice this also, so that and then today is a yoga day. It is said that practice this Anulom Vilom. There is one breathing exercise which will balance both your right brain and your left brain. When you do this, both your right and left brain will get balanced. Then you get that interest in study. So practice certain techniques, and then you will also be interested. And hard work is very much required. First, you should have that inside your heart, that you are going to school to learn something. Your teachers are there to teach you something. You are mingling with so many friends. So when with the friends also you are learning something. So this learning attitude should be there inside you. Once you have that learning attitude along with your hard work, concentration, sure you will be able to be successful in your study also.
Yes, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much. And participants, ee roju enta mandi great learning teeskunnaru ee session lo. Please everyone should type in the chat box. Come on. Come on. So nizanga chala great learning ee roju meer icharu madam. Thank you so much. And ఏదైతే ఉందో పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ మీకు ఏమైనా ఈ లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు కావచ్చు, లేదంటే కనుక మీ లైఫ్ లో సక్సెస్ అవ్వడానికి ఏవైనా యాక్షన్ ప్లానింగ్స్ కావచ్చు, మీకు ఏవి కావాలన్నా కూడా మీరు మేడంని అడగాలనుకుంటే కనుక, సో మేడం ఇప్పుడు మేడం యొక్క మెయిల్ ఐడి చాట్ బాక్స్ లో డ్రాప్ చేస్తారు. మేడం మెయిల్ కి మీరు మెయిల్ డ్రాప్ చేయండి. మేడం డెఫినెట్ గా మీకు సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తారు. యా మేడం, మీరు మీ మెయిల్ ఐడి అనేది ఒకసారి చెప్పుకుంటూ చాట్ బాక్స్ లో డ్రాప్ చేయండి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఏదైతే అందరూ కూడా టైప్ చేస్తున్నారు గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం, వావ్ వాట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అంటే మేము చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేస్తాం ఈ రోజు అని చెప్పేసి టైప్ చేస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ యాక్టివ్ పార్టిసిపేషన్. అండ్ గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకోవడమే కాదు, గ్రేట్ గా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎస్, గ్రేట్ లెర్నింగ్ తీసుకోవడం కాదు, గ్రేట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎప్పుడైతే గ్రేట్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ మీరు మీ లైఫ్ లో చేస్తారో, దెన్ ఓన్లీ మీ లైఫ్ గ్రేట్ గా మారుతుంది. ఎస్, గ్రేట్ గా మారుతుంది. మరి ఎంతమంది మీ లైఫ్ ను గ్రేట్ గా మార్చుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ప్లీజ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ షుడ్ టైప్. సూపర్.
I have put my email there, 0206veena4k@gmail.com.
0206
veena4k.
ఎస్, పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడు మేడం చెప్పారు, మేడం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తారా?
0206 veena4k
0206 veena4k@gmail.com. ఇక్కడ మనోహర్ గారు డ్రాప్ చేశారు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో మేడం ది మెయిల్ ఐడి. సో సేవ్ చేసుకోండి. మీకు లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ని మీ లైఫ్ లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా మేడం యొక్క మెయిల్ కి డ్రాప్ చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మేడం వాటికి సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్తారు డెఫినెట్ గా. ఓకేనా? ఎస్, ఓకే. అండ్ వన్స్ అగైన్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఈ రోజు అంత మంచి వండర్ఫుల్ గా అందరికి, సో మా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అందరికి కూడా లా ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ పరంగా వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో సక్సెస్ అవ్వడానికి వాళ్ళు ఎలా అట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి, దానికి సంబంధించిన టోటల్ టిప్స్, టోటల్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఎక్సలెంట్ గా చెప్పారు. మంచి ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా చెప్పారు. స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండింగ్ వరకు ఆ ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా చెప్పారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. మీరు యాక్టివ్ గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి ఈ రోజు ఇంత వండర్ఫుల్ గా సెషన్స్ అనేది జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఎస్ మై డియర్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ యాక్టివ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. అండ్ మళ్ళీ మనం రేపటి సెషన్ లో కలుసుకుందాం. రేపు కూడా చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ సెషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఖచ్చితంగా అందరూ కూడా పార్టిసిపేట్ అవ్వండి, నేర్చుకోండి, ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయండి, లైఫ్ లో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకురండి. ఎస్ మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అండ్ బై బై అంటిల్ దెన్. Signing off. This is VK Trainers team. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.